Hi, my name is Jesus Medina, 16 years old. I am from Venezuela. I am single. I am a student. I have no children. I am skin dark. My hair is dark. I have three brothers, two brothers and sister. My mother here Maria Maya, 47 years old. She is single. I have no children. She is Liberian. She is from Venezuela. He is skin is light. He is hair is blonde. He is my brother. His name is Santiago Medina. He is 14 years old. He is a student. I am single. He is no children. He is from Venezuela. He is dark skin. He is very funny. My father. His name is Eric Medina. He is 45 years old. He is married. He is four children. He is engineer. He is black hair is dark. He is from Venezuela. My house two bedroom. No, my house three bedroom, two bathroom and the kitchen. My house is yellow and the floor is blue. My favorite place is my bedroom. My time there were play and student. There is next to. There is bed next to desk. There is computer on the desk. There is TV above the nightstand, and there is air conditioner on the wall.